Want to stay youthful, radiant, and full of energy? These 5 anti-aging fruits are nature's secret to turning back the clock, inside and out. 1. Blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, they fight free radicals and repair skin cells, giving you that youthful glow. Second, avocado. Loaded with healthy fats and vitamin E, it boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and wrinkle-free. 3. Pomegranate. Its high polyphenol content helps reduce wrinkles and supports skin regeneration, making you look younger for longer. Quarta papaya. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, this superfruit increases skin elasticity, reduces dark spots, and brightens your complexion. 5. Watermelon. Lastly, watermelon. With its high water content and lycopene, it hydrates the skin and reduces signs of aging by combating UV damage. Add these anti-aging fruits to your diet and unlock the secret to youthful, glowing skin, naturally. Subscribe to Kitchen Hospital for more anti-aging food tips.